Hello students, now we will start question number 2 from exercise 9.1. Question is write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. That means here a particular patterns are given that minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15 and minus 12 upon 20. And we have to write down the next 4 rational numbers. So for that, how can we find the next 4 rational numbers? So here you can see that the pattern is there, a particular pattern is there which is being followed, like minus 3 upon 5, that was the first number. But if you can see the second number, that is minus 6 and minus 6 upon 10, that means here the pattern which is followed, that 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Similarly here in the denominator pattern which is being followed, that is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So similarly, for example, this one is the first one. So for second one, minus 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. So minus 3 into 2, we will get minus 6 and 5 2s are 10. So that was the second rational number. Similarly for the next one, now after multiplying with 2, the another number is there which is minus 9, which is 3 3s are 9. So minus 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 3. The next number will be minus 9 upon 15, which is there similarly for the next one. Now we will multiply with 4, the pattern which has been followed. So minus 3 into 4, I will get minus 12 upon 20. Now these numbers are given. Now question will like find next one. So after multiplying with 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now we will take the next number which is minus 3 multiplied by 5 upon 5 multiplied by 5. So I will get minus 3 5s are minus 15 upon 5 5s are 25. Similarly, we will find upcoming rational numbers. So whenever this type of questions are there, you have to check the pattern, which pattern is being followed. So here for the first one, now as I shown you that this was minus 3 multiplied by 4, so it was minus 3, minus 12 upon 20. Similarly for now next rational number, what we will do, now we will multiply this minus 3 upon 5. Now we will multiply this with 5. Similarly denominator 2. So minus 3 into 5, I will get minus 15 upon 5 5s are 25. Similarly for the next one, like minus 3 upon 5, again I will multiply this minus 3. Now we have to multiply this 3 with 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So now the next will be 6 upon 5 multiplied by 6. So minus 3 6 are minus 18 and 5 6 are 30. Similarly another one, minus 3 upon 5, we will multiply now this number with 7. Same pattern is followed in denominator. 5 2s are 10, 3s are 15, 4s are 20, 5s are 25, 6 are 30. Similarly here we will write down 5 multiplied by 7. So I will get minus 21 upon 35. Similarly the next one, minus 3 upon 5 is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 8 upon 5 multiplied by 8. So minus 3 into 8, I will get minus 24 upon 40. So the 4 rational numbers which were required in the following pattern, that are, so here we can write down like that. So minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 35 and minus 24 upon 40 are 4 more rational number in the following pattern or in the given pattern. Now similarly for the next one, now in the second sum the pattern is given which is minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 12. So here in this pattern as we can see this, that the pattern has been followed, that 1 2 3, that means 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Similarly here in the denominator it is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. This type of pattern has been followed. So whenever this type of questions are there, first you may check which pattern has been followed. So as we seen in the previous case, again for the next number, what we will do here, I'll write down the first one number. So here they have multiplied with 2 and 3. So now we will take next one, that minus 1 multiplied by 4 upon 4 multiplied by 4. So minus 1 into 4, I will get minus 4 upon 16. Similarly, minus 1 upon 4. Now minus 1 multiplied by 5. The next number will be 5. And in denominator also I will multiply with 5. So minus 5 upon 20. Similarly, another one which will be the next one will be 6. So minus 1 multiplied by 6 upon 4 multiplied by 6. So minus 1 into 6, I will get minus 6 upon 24. Similarly, for the last one, which we need only 4 rational numbers. So minus 1 upon 4 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 7 and 4 multiplied by 7. So number will be minus 7 upon 28. So at last we can write down that, so minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24 and minus 7 upon 28 are 4 more rational numbers in the given pattern. Similarly, moving to the next one. In the next one, the next question is minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 18 and 4 upon minus 24. So this pattern is given. So in that the first rational number, in that the minus 1 upon 6 is given and the remaining are 2 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 18. This type of situation is there. So no need to worry in this situation. This is there to confuse us. So here you can see that, for example, first one is minus 1 upon 6. So minus 1 upon 6, that is what? We can also write down this as that this will be counted as minus 1 upon 6. So this is written as 1 into 1 upon minus 6 multiplied by 1. So it is 1 upon minus 6. So the next pattern which has been continued, the first number, that is minus 1 upon 6, but the pattern which is continued now, that is 1 upon minus 6. So the next number will be what? 1 multiplied by 1. Now minus 6 into 2. So if you will do 1 multiplied by 1, you will get 1 multiplied by 2. So you will get 2 upon minus 6 into 12, you will get minus 12. So the lower term will be negative. Similarly, the pattern which has been continued, that is now the next number will be 3. So 1 3s are 3 and in the denominator minus 6 multiplied by 3. So which is 3 1s are 3 and minus 6 3s are minus 18. So we have to continue this pattern. So for that, what we can do, that now the next number will be what? As I shown you just now. So next number will be, here I can write that 1 upon minus 6 is equal to 1 multiplied by 5 upon minus 6 multiplied by 5. So here I will get 1 5s are 5 upon minus 30. Similarly, for the next one, 1 upon minus 6 is equal to 1 multiplied by, here I will write 6 upon minus 6 multiplied by 6. So here I will get 6, 1 6 are 6 upon minus 36. Similarly to the next one, 1 upon minus 6 is equal to 1 multiplied by 7 upon minus 6 into 7. So the next number will be 7 upon minus 42, because 6 7s are 42. Then another number will be there, which is 1 upon minus 6 is equal to, now we will multiply with this number with 8. So 1 multiplied by 8 upon minus 6 multiplied by 8. So 1 8s are 8 upon minus 6 into 8, it will be 48. So the next, which is minus 48. So the next four rational numbers will be, here we can write down that minus 5 upon minus 30, 6 upon minus 36, 7 upon minus 42 and 8 upon minus 48 are four more rational numbers in the given pattern. Now moving to the last one. The last one is minus 2 upon 3, then 2 upon minus 3, 4 upon minus 6 and 6 upon minus 9. Again, to confuse us, the same situation is given that minus 2 upon 3 and 2 upon minus 3. So the series which has been pattern, or we can say pattern which has been continued, that is which one, that this number is minus 2 upon 3. This number is there. So this minus 2 is been multiplied with minus 1 and this 3 is been multiplied with minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 I will get positive 2. Then 3 into minus 1 I will get minus 3, because you can see the first number was minus 2 upon 3. So minus, and the next number is 2 upon minus 3. So this 2 is positive. So when I will get, how can I get this 2 positive? If I will multiply this minus 2 with minus 1. So if I will multiply this minus 2 with minus 1, so I will get positive 2. Similarly, the pattern which has been continued, that this 3 is been multiplied with minus 1. So if I will multiply this 3 with minus 1, then I will get minus 3. Then again the same pattern has been continued, that 2 upon minus 3. So this 2 upon minus 3 is there, which is this one. How we get 2 upon minus 3? By multiplying denominator and numerator with minus 1. So for the next one, the main number is minus 2 upon 3. So the next number is 4 and minus 6. So that means this minus 2 is been multiplied with minus 2, because minus minus it make positive 4, and similarly this 3 is been multiplied with negative 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 I will get 4 upon minus 6. So the same pattern is been continued. So the next number can be 2 minus 2 upon 3. This question is there. So the next number can be, after 4 we can take 5. So that means, this means what? This 6 is there. That means this minus 2 is been multiplied with minus 3. So now we will take the next number, which is minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 4, and similarly in the down I will multiply with minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 4 I will get positive 12 upon 3 into minus 4 minus 12. Sorry, minus 2 into minus 4 I will get 8. So the next number will be 8 upon minus 12. So similarly this pattern will be continued. So here we can write that the next number can be minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by minus 4. So minus 2 into minus 4 I will get positive 8 upon minus 12. Similarly the next one, minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by the next number will be minus 5 upon 3 into minus 5. So minus 2 into minus 5 I will get plus 10 upon minus 15. Similarly the next one will be minus 2, after 5 I will take 6 multiplied by minus 6 upon 3 multiplied by minus 5. So minus 2 into minus 6 will be 12 upon minus 15. Sorry, here I have to multiply with 6. So here I will get 18. Then the next one will be minus 2 upon 3. So here I will multiply this minus 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by minus 7. So minus 2 into minus 7 I will get positive 40 upon minus 21. So 8 upon minus 12, 10 upon minus 15, 12 upon minus 18 and 14 upon minus 21 are 4 more rational numbers in the given pattern. So this is how we have to solve this type of questions. Here we are completing this question. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.